So in today's video, I'm going to do a tutorial on here on how to make a kid graduation fan. Graduation is soon coming. I think I'm going to do how to make a graduation t-shirt, a fan. I already posted a graduation chip bag. I think I would do party favors. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see. I don't mind sharing, and I do this for inspo, for people to have inspo, how to decorate, or what they should do for, whoever is graduating in their family. So today I'm going to start off with an 8.5 by 11, and you can choose any measurements you want. It all depends on who you're going to be putting out the fan to cut out, because some people use a 12 by 12 cardstock, some people use an 8 by 511, some people use 11 by 8.5 inches, but it's all up to you. I'm just gonna do a simple kid like fan inspo. So I'll like this. I'm gonna do this. And then y'all let me know what do y'all want to see, or if you're a beginner, comment down below. I'll be happy to do videos. I do plan on having a Canva class for beginners and just teaching everyone how to use Canva, how to operate, how to move around with Canva. So next I'm going to find the photo. I'm going to use this photo, move the background. There we go. So we're going to use that for right now. Elements. Gonna make this, I don't know. Just pick it. Whenever you want to put an image behind each other, you would go to position and you would press backwards. I'm on my mobile phone, so yeah. Okay, I like that better. So now we're gonna find like cute little images, but first I want to go to borders. I'm gonna use, let's try this, but I don't want those colors. I want like a blue and maybe like a green. Just gonna do that for now. If I can. Yeah, that's how I like it. I'm gonna push this in him, do the front, then forward. Here we go. For this part right here, I forgot to tell you guys how to get to this part, to the layers part. So you would press the layer button at the bottom to, whenever you want to change your elements around or you want to group them, you will select layers. As you can see right here, I'm pressing on each elements, as you can see, to group them. So you would just click select on the right hand corner and you will group them, and as you can see, you will go over and press select. I had to do it over, but you will press both of the elements that you want to group, and then you will see the group button on top as I'm doing right here, and this way you can move both elements at the same time without having to keep going back and forth for one-on-one. And we just back to the tutorial. See, like he's coming out of the frame. Now, just because I'm trying to find the right font, I think I'm gonna stick with this right now. And we're just going to change the color. I'm going to make that yellow. I want it to be like colorful, playful, like a kid, so. For this part, I'm just going to be putting my elements together. So it's going to be sped up and a little music in the background, and then we'll get back until when I'm actually telling you what else to do. Whenever you want to change the text outline or put a certain effect, you will press effect and you will press the outline or whichever you want to use, and then you will press it again. This way you can edit how thick, the color, and everything, as you can see as I'm doing here. But yeah, I just wanted to mention that. Building, found a way that you can change each letter. So what you would do is you would change the color first before typing, and then instead of saying pressing change all, you would press the X button and then you would just type. It is tedious, but if you want to do it, you can. Not, you don't have to. I'm good with teaching, but I be so focused and I stay quiet that I forget that I'm actually teaching. So please don't blame it on my heart. Blame it on my head. Charge it to my head, not my heart. But yeah. Everything is grouped now. Now, change that. Download it as a transparent background, PNG. So in part 2, I'm going to show how you can use this as a mock-up and sell it on Etsy as a digital product, and on any other website that you may use, selling platform. So stay tuned to the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down